So now that we understand, hopefully, what a logarithm's purpose is, right? It's to solve for an exponent, right? We now need to learn how to solve logarithms. So I have 10 examples here. And the first thing we're going to do is just go through a series of questions that are all base 10, or sorry, 2. Okay, so these are 5 questions that all have a base of 2, and we're going to look at how to solve them. Okay, so really what we're doing is saying, what does this mean? Well, this means x. Okay, the answer to this is something. X is the value of log base 2 of 2. Well, what does this mean? It means 2 would be raised to what exponent to give you 2? The answer would be 1. This one, okay, again, this could be x equals, this would be 2, right? This base is raised to what exponent to give me 4? Well, 2 squared is 4. So then thinking about this logical reasoning, right? What is this one saying? This one's saying 2 to what exponent would give me 8? Well, 2 cubed is what would give me 8. So the value of log base 2 of 8 is 3, because log base 2 of 8 means that base 2 would be raised to what exponent to give me 8? They're weird, huh? It even feels weird coming out of my mouth. So what about this one? Right? This one is saying, again, base 2 is raised to what exponent to give me a half? Well, whether you know this or not, it would be -1, right? 2 to the -1 would be 1 over 2. So this would be -1. What about this one? 2 to what exponent would give me a quarter? Think about the pattern that we were doing over here, right? So 2 to the exponent 2 gave me 4. So 2 to the exponent -2 would give me a quarter. Start to feel it? So what about this one? What is this thing? What's the base? The base is 10. 10 to what exponent would give me 100? 2. This one, we're going back to base 2, right? So 2 to what exponent would give me 1? Ooh, tricky question. This is a good one to remember, right? So 2 to any exponent is 1. What's the blank? Hopefully you're all screaming 0 at the screen. Okay, I want you to pause the video. Give the next 3 a go. There's some tricks in there, but give it a go. Okay, so for this one, it's 3 to what exponent would give you 9? 3 to the exponent 2 would give you 9. Ooh, then I reversed it. 9 to what exponent would give you 3? Ooh, what would you want it to be, right? We know that the square root of 9 is 3. And a square root as an exponent is a half. So remember, the index of your radical becomes the denominator of your exponent. So x would be a half. And then lastly, what about this one? 6 to what exponent would give you 6 to the 5? Well, if it was 6 to the 5, it would be 6 to the 5. So x is 5. Okay, so the next set of questions that you're doing in your textbook, it says do not use a calculator. Yes, you can use a calculator for logarithms, but I really want you to get a handle on what a logarithm is before you start relying on a calculator to do all the work for you. So go and give it a go.